Hello and welcome to design vlog number 7. So we got comments last video where some people were saying you should go and maybe try to get it 3D, get the piston seals 3D printed for you. We're making a hydraulic system and we need piston seals. We have a pretty good design for them, I think, but we don't have a good way to make them. So custom 3D printing is something that I'm going to explore today. I want to see what the pricing of it is. So we're going to design a little model, a 3D model of our piston seal, and then we're going to go and see what it's like to get a low quantity custom 3D print. So let's go ahead and get started on that. We're going to open up Blender and we're going to start designing our piston seal. So this right here is a 3D design program / animation program called Blender 3D. This is what I use to make my 3D animations for my do-it-yourself projects. So we're going to go ahead and put together a 3D design for custom 3D printing, and then we're going to export it to a .stl file, and we're going to upload it on one of the 3D printing companies' websites, and we're going to see how much it costs to get something produced. So we're in Blender. We're going to make sure that we have our unit set correctly. So over here, this is where you want to set your units. This is in the Scenes tab. You can go over to Length and hit Imperial, and this is your US units. Are going to be in inches, feet, and miles and things like that. And so we can go ahead and start designing now that we're in these units. So my piston seal is a basic shape. We're going to be creating a cylinder. Obviously that's too big, so we're gonna, right now we have probably not enough vertices around this, so we're gonna increase the vertices. I've already tested this out. I'm gonna go 90 vertices just to make sure it comes out, close to perfectly round. And then we're gonna go ahead and change our dimensions a bit. So we want this to be about a 1/4 of an inch high, so 2.25 IN is going to get you a 1/4 of an inch right there, so 250 thou. And then we're going to say 3 inches in the Y and 3 inches in the X. So then this is the sort of base for the piston seal. And then just a very simple, go into edit mode. We're going to highlight the bottom ring, and then we're going to scale this out slightly. And so yeah, we can now adjust it. I think I'd like this to be a little bit wider, a little bit wider still. And so 3.2 inches, we're probably good there. That seems like a decent. So this is just a 3-inch wide diameter circle, and so we're gonna go and export this out to an STL file, which is a 3D file for this website. They accept STL files. So we're gonna go ahead and export as STL. And so I've already exported this, so I'll overwrite it just to make sure you guys can see. So export that. And now we're going to go on to a website called Shapeways, which I think they mostly do large quantity 3D printing, but they also let you do whatever quantity you want. And we'll go and check out and see how expensive it is for everybody to use this. Okay, so here we are on shapeways.com. We've logged into our account, and we're going to go ahead and upload a new model here. So this is after you created your account, you're in this screen. I'm going to get my units to inches before I even upload, and then I'm going to upload my pistonseals.stl. So it's going to load our model. Okay, so after our model is finished loading to the website, you're going to get something like this. So we can go ahead and click into our model, and this will give more details. It'll give this sort of error here, but it's not a big deal. This is pretty much this is essentially exactly what we had in the beginning. And so we're given a bunch of material choices, and it doesn't look good really on any material. This is crazy expensive, and the other things are just way too much for what we want. So I was worried the shipping cost might be at least $3. So I was worried that this is going to cost me maybe 30 cents per piston seal plus like $3 shipping per. So that I thought I was worried about that, but now we're getting up to like $20 for just the piston seal per piston seal. And so yeah, we're not too happy about this. I don't think this is any because if this was just like we're gonna use this, it's gonna be this like one solve all hydraulic system for all of our do-it-yourself projects, and like something like that. Maybe we'd want to do this, but as far as like trying to tell other people to spend this kind of money on your piston seals, not really something I want to do. So yeah, unfortunately, this isn't really going to work, and we can look at our model, and it would be awesome if we could just get this 3D printed. But yeah, unfortunately, not really going to work out. So yeah, we'll be trying other things over the next few days. So that will be it for design vlog number 7. We've explored the 3D printing idea, but it's not really going to be cost effective for us. So tomorrow we're going to be going into trying to figure out a better way to get our molding process figured out. We're going to be probably using a different type of material, and we're going to be using the burner to melt the plastic, the stove burner. So wish me luck. And yet again, I'm doing these experiments myself. I'm not going to tell you to do it if it doesn't seem very safe. So we'll be seeing you tomorrow, and have a great day, guys. More information is offered on my website, thedoityourselfresource.com. As well, feel free to like our Facebook page and watch us live on twitch.tv. Links are in the description. Thank you very much, and goodbye.